Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to close your PayPal business account. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So for this video, we're just going to follow this wise sports article here or these blog articles. And basically to close your PayPal business account, all you need to do is just to simply go to the settings, and from there we will be able to close our account. So those are the steps. You will need just to go to the profile, then we go to settings, of course, and from there we will be able to close the account. And those are just some confirmation steps. And let's do that now. So from your PayPal homepage, and in my case, I'm using the web app. It will be similar to the mobile app. So basically, you will be needing just to search where you can find the settings or my settings in your mobile app. And basically, it will probably be by clicking on your profile picture in the corner, and from there you will find settings. So here, let's go to the gear icon so we can go to the settings. And from there, we will find those settings, and basically in the bottom we will be able to close the account. So in my case this is a personal account, but it will be similar to a business account. And basically if you have two type of accounts, of course you will be able to choose which one to close. So as you can see here now, we are in the bottom of the page, and from here we can be able to click on close your account. So by clicking on close your account, it will take us to another page, and from here it will give you a confirmation message if you really want to close your account, and you can just delete your account if you want, or just simply close it. So basically you click on close account to confirm, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.